Do you ever get tired and frustrated when you're trying to recruit every single person that you meet into your network marketing business or your affiliate business? Trying to grow your social media, posting stuff all the time, posting 10 times a day, waiting for someone to reach back out to you so that you can talk to them about your business. Have you ever scrolled through your contacts just looking for someone you can talk to, chasing friends and family? It's just not a lot of fun, to be honest with you, right? Do you ever feel like you and your team get stuck in not having enough people to talk to about your business? Well, how great would it be if you could push a button and find your next rock star who's online searching for you right now? You see, here's the truth. Thousands and thousands of people every single day go online and look for home-based businesses, go online and look for ways to generate income from home, and we want to connect them to you personally. And I don't want you to take my word for it. I want to give you a free 7-day test for you to jump in our software. You and your team jump on a free 7-day test trial and just see what our software can do for you. Now, if you'll click the link below, I'll give you a free demo. You'll see testimonials from tons of other people who have thought, you know what, I'm tired of chasing friends and family around. I'm tired of trying to grow my social media. I'm tired of posting all the time and running everyone off. Let me try this software, and they are having phenomenal results. I want you to jump in the software and just see how well it works for you and your team. Click the Learn More button right now and get started. I'll see you on the inside.